On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok no internet connection problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to apps, and now click on TikTok. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Click on TikTok, click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. And then click on notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them again. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, go back again, and now last thing you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for TikTok and click on update right here. That's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the end. See you later.